asa kwisha omiringo minjo mbigambo umuntu noma abe noraba nka street namwe tabachara ukaraba street umuntu ayemerire ninga baba boda bumwe umuntu akakugambira ikigambo kahurira wenda kwera so akona kono karahaza nkwijo mbigambo ninga sho umuntu abanakugambira nakubuzo businje byakugambira to kubyenda most especially in sexual harassment ninga sho umuntu nabasanko kwandikira hatu za WhatsApp zikija abantu baharasinga abagenzi babo ninga baharahaza WhatsApp ninga shi mkutendijo ya social media za Twitter, there's trolling Twitter umuntu ayenda ngo akumareho businje, that's also harassment, nasa kubera yo form ya cyberbullying ninga shiza emails zinkoko kuzireba umuntu akwarahazo mbigambo bandicirwe bityo ninga shi ubundi hatu nkaha social media mwe nibasa ko tari bugambo expressly konkanka emojis hatu noreba buri kigambo cyona kineho emoji yacu tinyine kugira ngo nikubasa kwandikira ngo nakukunda nikuteraho ka emoji kakwereka ngo nakora so even sexual harassment abantu ko batakwenda ngo wabaresero bujuruzi nyensi yo bwandiko ngo bitargayo ngo kamugambere iki hatu wakubuza she emoji je nemanyisachi okay so okara hasubana kubasa kuri yo kwemiringo myinji nonga
so mbweno karazi bango kwachobora kanso kuba cyabireho what does the law provide for that abo kuba tingumanya ombera jiro umuntu yaba nakwarahaza no mutabarza nibavura then hati kokega kumutabarza mwene bambiye tag empirical evidence neboneka mune basobutabone akwanyo nimba sanko gukora ka sign hati kandi gatwa turi hingu meni nkakora kargo kakutana katanike kubuza businyi so how can you report that
hati harassment okugara ni kunganya evidence yona shiningo ujuruzo bwo kwendo harassment cyo chugumire so jangu wanorongo go muntu yatanika ku harassing kanje ngo nokora nawe no boss wawe harihe byakugambira ukabura byakubuzo businje harihe bya nakwereza nka signs ninga shinka nka appraisal ushanga ko muntu yayenda ngo in order to appraise you they sexually harass you. For workplaces, there are regulations. Harho iteka ya employment sexual harassment regulations. Zanku bibiri kumenebiri. Ezo zuruho kandi igiteka ndihereza procedure nkoko kurojinga complaint yawe kandi amatekani ngajangu omuntu wena aruku koze sabantu barenjera 25. Ashime kuba ine sexual harassment policy. Okay? Sexual harassment policy ejo nene yereka abantu nene gambara abantu ngo okarahazo umuntu omumwanya oguti kihikiri kandi chamateka in case omuntu kuyakubana ayine complaint yo kugira ngo umuntu yamharahaza omwanya gukora arojinge complaint ye amadekani gajara ngo buri workplace ejishime kuba ine committee yo handling achi inshonga nkezo. Okay, so wano jangu omuntu yakwarahaza no rojinga complaint yawo mu committee kugira ngo ubwo muntu yakwarahaza akozere cyo boss no reto bujuruzi ekiziba chikwa no kugira ngo mwe obujuruzi bwo mubasa kuba butakumara ningashi aba abinji nibabagambire bugambo konka ato muntu noreka kugambira nke kigambo tokaja ngo wacu recording ashahejo tokagira ngo kumba abandi abinje tubakwenda ngo bakose nk'ebigambo byo kwandika kugira ngo akwandikire WhatsApp nakweto mu office yede and then
physically biwa bangura
exactly it can be physical banorabaho umuntu nabasa nka boss wawe ngo shati yakwata aho utakwenda ngo akwate no gamba tine cyo kugamba so omubora kubura that evidence yakuteka konka enyinji nibachira ko sankaza WhatsApp ko umuntu akubana akora singa takabara yo kusindikira ka WhatsApp takabara yo kusindikira ki nka email. Okay, so no kumano gathering ibintu byawe byo because at the end of the day what in tukareba incident ya senior state attorney last year we did complaining about someone in their office konka obujuruzi bweye tubara amazire machaza akagambira abantu then yagamba ngo it had been taking place for over 10 years so konka otine bujuruzi obu kandi n'abantu mbebuza 10 years iwo twire no gukora kino all these 10 years so waba umuntu yana harasinga ningashina kwarahaza ushime kugezaho nko kuwareba kugatheringa evidence ya wanonda ngo omwiheyo after some time then starting kecha workplace ningo kashanga nka landlord wawe na kwarahaza ningasho umuntu wena n'umuntu wari umukotiza amateka tukarga kureba buriya MP yari kutwara uriyo mwojo hari bakamba mweto
barabana nkejoko
so bakamutwara umukota ariko mutabariza kandi amharasinga namusindikira via messages all the time namgambira like such a young boy nangambira that MP how na mwenda
beautiful.
How
By
she's
the way,
beautiful,
actually council
how
hata bakazi I don't know but inde minja bachara ninjo umukiri ate kira kuburura nka evidence ukashanga cyaba questionable abantu abenji umuntu bashikosaze defense mechanism abako anyway hata abantu nibebuza harassment according to some people ishebe kwani twari ustinje bwa shebe kuzo men nekinde kitari prison konka hata umuntu nana asindika nka positive compliments I love you you're nice should that be regarded as a harassment?
You see, harassment, amherwa byona it's still pleasant wawe. It is to me, so nchichi no okuba unpleasant owanje to be harassment. You know what wanonjangu you love me, you look beautiful, konkanyona anta kuchukunda. Nene yaba harassment. Can harassment is also over time. Constant. Wangambira ngo I love you, yes, nachichenga. Konka I'm telling you, nyowe tuje bindu. Ondegyo tinkuchenda. Konki wantere mirundi 30 mwizoba burizoba yabayigana 30. Okorecho kora chiriyo nsindi chirecho nsindi chache. At the end of the day, nimbasa no kutina nyebuze ogo muntu nanyenza chi. Okay? Ogo muntu nanyenza, for example, the MP tinkuhamya ngo akareto go mojo mukoti kugira ngo just kumpanishinga no akaba scared namanya umuntu nabasa nko kunda ninga kugambira ibintu ebyo otine oje kunkashogo umuntu nubuhoro ninga hine kindi of course being a politician nawe nanatinde mtu kama nyogo no hina kuba musindikire hina kuba na mugenda so tokamanya so umuntu we yakujangu tachigenda anchiwona ugendo misho funa bande tinkumanya abarakunde ko omuntu yakujanga utakunda ninga shitari interested no morga then ekindi omwe abantu nibahuna mama for fear kujangu omuntu kwaragambe umurumo gwaza kugenda bakireba hata umuntu kwakuba nakozesa ninga sho mwana wasa kujoti kambaze nindeho ninye ndiyo ninchi interpreting amukube bundi ninga sho umuntu just ariyo nageza ho kuba boss murungi ninga shi nimbasa kuba ninye ndiyo ninchereba kubi so ubanzo borinzereho ugumanore bo muntu byakora konka mperwa byona obura kubicenga so umuntu aciza kubuza ngo bwiro bwono twirehi konka shiwe nabasa kuba wabirotindere ngo murimo gutagenda ubwo no muntu mukuru na waza kujangu waza kugamba murimo gwagenda tokiriya maso abantu abinji baferamu konka nichi kitari kirungi munonga kandi umuntu
so you can advise people to open up
people should open up kandi emishango nkejo nayo no nkeya harassment neretwa even neishamu something to do with discrimination ningashi discrimination namuri yankore ntuchetachi
kujonjora abantu
okujonjora abantu because no basa kushanga nkamurimo hari mirimo etaku employing omuntu atari munyankore so ushanga ngo kwehaba hariho omuntu ayijamu akajango ninko muganda ningashinko worugando rundi ushanga go muntu ahamurimo abantu batanika kumugambura yariho nabagambura nyankore ejo nayo niba harassment ningashi omuntu ukashanga ngo ahabwe imyaka yeye ushanga nkahantu harabo ibishiki batowe abasigazo bato hatakija haja ngamogo mukaza imyaka yeye nkagariyo nakora nagezaho kuri sakamere yeye hataba abana bato batandika gukora ki kumharasingaye nukora cyaha abantu bakakora kare iwa no chikoraho cyo akubiroryo wawo byami so naye je neba harassment in a way. And right now in the zero kureba, this is my personal opinion. Comedians ningashiba kazanyiriza abitwinaho mu Uganda ama stage ga Uganda tinko sa kugamba amazina, but I think I can say comedy store, that's enough. Mbe nindeba comedy store kandi yo mbasi ya global batekaho comedy store TV zabo nareba a particular comedian noreba ngo his comedy is harassing people. We mbwenu natekateka ngo ebya kugamba is funny, but it is marginalizing women, abantu abinoburemu, and nyonka shanga his comedy too much. It wasn't even comedy for me. Tinkura abantu cyabende basheka. At the end of the day, nashanga ngo it is harassing someone. It's harassing women. So abantu babukosa konkane njano mbotamanya nojanga mbabumanya.
Of course noshanga mwe byegekeriro Ruganda kananka aronke byorahuriye niwe nicumanya kushanga bajyango abantu batuni betegerereza imyaka yahiguru, and when it is not even true, because we have studied with someone umuntu that is very extra intelligent, ngoza kura unabanza imyaka enga kucenga such things gandorene because national television nebindi tadurem tugamba ahacuba kweta harassment n'ekigambo cy'orujungu nk'ekikubasa kumanyisa okwarahaza omuntu umuringo gumwe ningo gundi, kandi of course tandika kubuza omuntu obusinge omuntu tari comfortable nebindi nkebyo. Ariho omuntu kushanga kikabaho by the way nyumaho somewhere omushija ino omukazi omuka ati there are some people who are naturally extra powerful as in the way they do their things. Omushenge byabo omukazi nyinshi akaragira ati omuntu ogu we cannot even rest, it is too much.
Ejo nayo ni harassment, because waza kureba standard ya harassment ni receiving side we nachitwarata kugira ngo iwacu kwenda iwa yo nachikora the receiving end nyowe ariyo na harahazubwa ebyo byo gukora nimbishanga nk'ebitanshemerire, nimbishanga nk'ebikumfaza, nimbishanga nk'ebikumaraho obugabe bwanje kandi tinkubigenda. So wori omushija wanje nkashanga ngo ebyo gukora nibindetera okutina kandi no butabigenda na no kunyihaho nka dignity omuri nyankore ntuchetashi ekitinisa chanje nko mukazi echo nchimanyisa ngo yaba harassment in a way, sexual harassment. No wakori omushija wanje konka neba sexual harassment ncheche bibero twine marital rape. Abantu batekateka there is no marital rape ngori omukazi wanje ni omushija wanje anytime any moment yona kugira ngo it's a time for the act osheme kuba noza, but no nshemere kuba nenyekeriza kandi nantichirize neba ki marital rape. So hata na yawo harassment ntahe gukora ki ahe kwizerekije kaba sexual harassment kugira ngo no ndetera nakore kintu kinta kwenda.
Tingmanya ombiragiro oba okumuchanduringa umwe konka in most cases as if females no bakutekwa ku reporting harassment when actually it is
two way. It's two
abo
way.
kwata bashija bamwe it is also the same kugira ngo muri ya umuntu nareka ngo kare how do you provide for equality?
Equality is there.
Akwantu tukimanya emirunde mingi bagamba sexual harassment ahe bikiro myanya 10 ushanga bari abakazi who are complaining about kandi minde mingi neri of course namba complaining about the other side. At the other side yo tebona bonesebo
The other side nebona bonesebo but truth be told percentage nyinshi ni y'abakazi konka n'abashija nabo barumu konka with our African setting and culture abashija nibatina kuba exposed so by the time umushija nyobo ndi mu office yanje umushija kija kangambera umushija kije mu office akaba no yatabaza akagera ngo mukazi we namuhara haza that man is special and that man aruhiri thank you naba arihire naba it's too much because by the time umushija yarugayo akagamba ubwo umushija nari in most cases nari more than right kujango ni nateka ingere side ye already konka changu umushija kurugayo akagera to mukazogu nambona sana ntera na nono rema ngo nanena ku emuri ya hamisho so
okay abashija maybe turyo toyirwaneho aho kuba hate bintu beka njyano hurura kugira ngo aho kuzagambira n'abantu bacishoma na misho hati nkiba cyagira mu extremes kandi cyurunje ndongo kanso ate birebe no bintu bikahinduka there is freedom of expression, freedom of equality, you know these things. And finally, hato mukazi na ashara majwara in a very provocative way. Achwana rawo abashaba mirinkuza bati. Achikora hati nyicha karakora ikindi gwasheja. Mwenu ekintu cyo reba ngo nacyo kini intentions tari. Can't I report somebody for being harassed really? By the dress code. Hata chonchenda tuwafuna yo mushago gutereze position yecu because no reba abantu bino bwabe kushana nko kuba kwenda nakireba although twija twageraho pornography act you know we have that act and it was passed think kumanya hiya akomere abantu mu actage bakambagera ngo umutashime kujwara kubi mini above your knees na bueno so hati abangu toine kujwara kwishachi toine kushitamo ino kushitamo mu njereji konka enforcement yechechera juro egomire ahakuba ashomuntu ramujwe ke chata kwenda byutantugamba buri umwe no bwabigoye gukora shi. But you see we have already agreed. On the other side you are feeling offended, it becomes harassment. Now that is when like red passes are kuhingura and one menureba ngo tension. Konka you see it goes back to self control. You as a man now if I approach to that lady madam you know really the way you behave here we are not comfortable it becomes no doesn't become sexual harassment because well nk'okutogamba forms of sexual harassment nyoni njore byanje mbona manyira mu office yanje ishama nkore imirimo yanje but you take away my peace. I take away your peace, but I think you need to control yourself. I think you need to control yourself. Moshati wo otherwise mahina moshkan bagenda bakarepinga abantu abako bajire biringwa bukoma na hanze mukama tubapinga bakaza kuba beshwekere ukashanga umuntu ayeshwekere program tempaka hasi but still they get raped. Mad women they get raped on the streets. So you can tokagera ngo umango kuwajwara munyo chandetera najera attention yo sexually harassing me nyabiha no of course we are tukujanga abantu bajware kubi no konka naye jutesheme kubera basis yawe kujanga ngo umuntu yajara kubinyo yante mpinga what you have a wife. But you see by the time we are at the workplace somebody has a see-through that you see exactly and umuntu nabaso kuta concentrating about that actually mirimo yanje tikigendaje abo kuba always I don't concentrate because of ABC. But that's okay and can check to ajango but workplace eshime kubenye nechi a committee sexual harassment committee one orembo cheche ntishakushemesa lodge your complaint a sexual harassment committee your workplace or mamutine more than 25 employees nozo wa labor officer kubana wari handling enshonga nkezo is a employment lodging a complaint yawe kuriya oriano bamweta nawe nibamwegese mico nkora nkokora ajwari umbanga. Okay ni checho program chezi simuka TV we tugumire hano yatwine Council Bridget turuganira nsonga zo kuharahazwa ukwebuka byona. Now maybe turukuhendera your advice abantu abarukushanga baraharasta umuringo gwona umuntu nare kintu kitwe nikibaho konkati kikumuha businge bwona no bahaburota. Both men and women.
Both men and women. Kuba habura kwanje wari kintu kitakuha businge. Funa umuringo goracha dressing muninga sho muntu ogwe wati yari nka boss wawe omuni kibasa kuba kitari ize kurugayo kuza kumugambira konka wanubasa njinje ndo banzo gambira umuntu personally utakaje ngo waza kuchitwara mu committee kubana wari kuchwika nko kwe explodinga umuntu bajangwe umwe na boss wanaona waza ku losing his job ebintu nkebi. So one oreba ngo it's kiriyo nchitandaka address it no muntu zo mu office ye obazo yo mugambira teche kintu nkoraje tinguchikunda then wari cyagumuzamo kubone korachi kuchenjeza yo misho ningash iwo tareka kintu. Some people enjoy it amaherwa byona bijaba tugira ngo it's what it's sexual harassment na byo tuntu bireba omuntu they take. Let me give you an example what you know wile think manya tukareba some chat yeah WhatsApp. Now this chat started like this. Omushiki ya textinga yajara good morning sir with a heart emoji. But I have emojis sir and a heart emoji really they will connecting. So sir replies good morning kanko sizina nkelyanje good morning Bridget. So omushiki amubuza sir did you see my appraisal? Like appraisoning boss bit nko kwamba tu but checking and but chebera our work between tukora we doing evaluation tukora umurimo murungi. So amjera this was a WhatsApp chat amjango you see my appraisal boss amgarkamu amjati njerevere konka it was not good boss ajat but we can do something about it. So omuhichi abanza teka honka wa emojis. Meanwhile when the boss says we can do something about it ateka honka ka emoji ko kuwinkinga like piteramu erisho ateka hakandi ko smilinga. So omuhichi amujira hati akoze seasonary amjati what do you mean? And he said what do you mean Vincent? So Vincent does it tagarika muna nebigambo tagarika with emojis nkikumi but each emoji ekene gamba something ateka honko love hearts bubiri ateka hoka face kino double love hearts no re double love emojis no bwiji harakina ka hata har hakino hearts then ateka honka splash ya mizi ateka ho like an eggplant bukaburi nkikumi. But trust me mukana bugamba abantu bakumanya ku interpreting emojis niba interpreting ngo kubosa kana gambeje hata muhicha mugarukamu but sir you know I have a boyfriend. This is a conversation between a boss and an employee. Okay, so at the end of the day na boss mugarukamu mjerati it's upon you share. Sort yourself. Okay, it's upon you, sort yourself. So, in your assessment, kokuna kugambera, do you think that is sexual harassment?
And also the other side is also enjoying it. Hata anyway, kokuwa gamba chigumira ninjira nchijiro mnachi interpreting. Konka I think you have a sexual harassment, you shouldn't cooperate on your side. But you are interesting the conversation to go on.
No, but you see, nimbasa cooperating at the beginning. At the end, I'm no longer cooperating. And just kujirango, until I say stop, you wagumizam. Hatini yaba sexual harassment. Washireba. It's nkokutaminga rape. Ningo muntu kukwata. Noreba. Amateka ngagamba about rape. Kukwata omukazi. No basa kuba ino mukazi mwagenda hamwe mukiro mwayegita umurundo gwo kubanza kanjira ngo in the middle of the night yagira ngo no iwo kajiro ati yes no I'm raping. Yes, so na sexual harassment nayo neba etyo in a way kugira ngo yes at first twasa ko twineho chi some understanding. Later I'm telling you, but you know, sir, I have a boyfriend.
But you see, council, abantu babiramu kudiringa hamwe. They know how they approach each other. There are those who first refuse, maybe, and then finally, in the later, they enjoy the game.
If they enjoy the game, that's okay. Konka, if I told you, guy, I didn't want.
I thought we are some kind of kurevi. Anyway, turianza kwendera akira atuino dachiga bwawe. Webare mnonga Council Bridget abo kwiza kwegeza twaje tugamba harassment ningashe okuharahazwa okubaho miringo yona kugira ngo abo kukikora mu kireke abo kuba mu mateka it is provided for bashara muno bakutwara hare nushanga cyarga bebizo bingi it costs you a lot nishwazana you can lose your marriage your job and everything nanikitinisa sacha nkigenda kagambo kamwera hari yabamba tureba. Actually, Betunga Rogers, Ugiyajat Navareva, Mwevari Mnonga program Nunjina Council Bridget, Mwevari Rogers Kureva, program Kagambuka Okamu.
Kambuka Kopo Wagambe. Abo harasinga abantu. Harasinga umushinja mukazi nabakazi nabone babikora nangusho twacuza ho munonga kandi babikora na munonga baba kuba bine position zabo mpango harasinga driver shana harasinga ka driver ninga shabo jo no mahata bojo hatu bakaba basereking mbambare bukaja ahamburubo so ndugende twashaba ngo chirunji kwana nakugira ngo ekitinku cyenda tinkureba nce no cugumezamo chirunji mu cyetantare kandi abariyo uko abariyo nibabona amateka garho kuba yambo umwe amureka kushwara ukachifiramo amheruga byona ni war kuluzinga your dignity nana nkiwe ko muntu umurjeyo amateka gabayambe.
Okay, we bari mnonga Council Bridget kandi niyo gumenareba program sisimuka we bari cyagumezamo twine byemizano twine akaceka ka bisinsino Igini TV West gumeho.
Masco gagarukiremo akuba nturebe yiturukuza technology iyi yongire kura kandi ubahati turakikutandika kuvuga imotoka esikorerwa mu Uganda dere ngo testembekerine nize yongera kwitwikacho bogese Masco gayongere irecyomwe twinubwesije ngo byentambura biyone bikurura kimwe kandi nibyo yongera kubaje enguto sigari yo mwika ziriyo nize yongera kujanjara hona amakoro nagoga janjiro kwetorora ibyanga bya Uganda kandi tushimirwe ahubwo imirimo yemenyeto reka twina Masco gagumega rye higoro ubu tutegerize ibirungi byesi yetu
2021 vote Yoweri Kaguta Museveni to secure your future.
Champrisa International Limited bakureta Hendrik Concentrate ebene birungo erukutebwa ombyukuri byenkoko nempuno nibikora kampuni by'ukuriya by'amatungo erukucyo buhango omusiyona ya Trau erukushangwa Netherlands na Belgium ekirungechi kiri amutenda gwensiyona wakitaburo by'ukuriya by'amatungo ninge byenkoko ombere butarwahare notanga kutunga amagoba enkoko nerakakora kandi egomuka ezamahore nisitera amahoro mahango kandi omwetoro rwagon rwaguri ogwacenshu empunu nzira ukakora obotebiru no gomoka okumanya birukiraho teresimu ezahifu.
Amanya bampita businge Kristo.
Amanya Rosias.
Amabara ninyo Atwaire Moses.
I'm Roselle the Untold.
Nebanyita Janet.
Amazina nabanyita Tamire Deosi.
Thanks for the show. Mbabilo.
TV West Mbabilo.
Omubabilo Pia.
Nyenda Keshongoro.
Please play me.
Nyenda Kabare.
Nisaba yakazina.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Webare munonga.